When you think about it, a roof is really essential to protecting your number one investment, where you live. Kelly Roofing, we feel, plays a major role in helping our community get back to normal life. Hurricane Irma was a very unique storm because we knew a week in advance exactly where it was going to hit, and that gave us an ability to plan ahead and prepare for the devastation that was coming. We knew there would be an increase in the number of calls that were going to come into the office. Kelly Roofing on a regular week fields about 150 standard estimate requests. A week after the storm, 26,000. Before the storm, we had one person that answered all of our calls. After the storm, we were able to bring on 15 people instantly. And we did that by using Skype for Business Online because it allowed us to train remotely. It also allowed us to record those trainings so that they could watch them on their own at leisure whenever, so they could truly feel comfortable with the way we do business. Here in Southwest Florida, we have a large Spanish-speaking community. Kelly Roofing, we were able to set up an entire menu in Skype for Business Online that directed those Spanish callers directly to a team who also spoke Spanish so they can review those details. We're really excited about Teams because we see it as the one platform that's going to bring everything together. As we've grown now to respond to our community's needs, we have not lost the ability to communicate because of Skype for Business Online and Teams. And that's allowed us to maintain that relationship that we have with each other and those we serve. We were able to grow our business to meet the needs after the hurricane, but more importantly, we were able to help people put their lives back together and help an entire community.